Welcome viewers. Today I am going to explain about the beating of the heart along with the major blood vessels. This is the animated video of heart and lung showing its major blood vessels and lung. The heart is situated in the mediastinum, placed between the center of the lungs. The two lungs have been moved far apart from the heart in this schematic model for better view and clear understanding. Normal heart rate of adults ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Heart receives its blood supply from coronary arteries, the right coronary artery, the left coronary artery, the left anterior descending artery, and the left circumflex artery. The major blood vessels of the heart are the larger arteries and veins that attach to the atria and ventricles and transport blood to systemic and pulmonary circulation. To start with, the left pulmonary veins and right pulmonary veins, shown here schematically to be long and straight, return oxygenated blood from lungs to the left atrium. Now the blood passes from the left atrium into the left ventricle. This oxygenated blood is pumped by the left ventricle into the systemic circulatory system through a larger elastic artery called aorta. The aortic arch with its three major branches is visible here. These are the brachiocephalic trunk, the left common carotid artery, and the left subclavian artery from left to right respectively. The deoxygenated blood from the body is delivered back to the right atrium from the systemic circulation by two veins, which are marked in the video by blue color. They are the superior vena cava, which is present above the base of the heart, and the inferior vena cava, which is present below the base of the heart. As seen here, the blood exits the right ventricle after its contraction through the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs by branching into the left and right pulmonary arteries. The right pulmonary artery can be seen passing below the arch of the aorta in this video. So viewers, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe to my channel and share the video.